If I had to start from zero in 2026 as a video editor without a portfolio, without any clients, without any leads, I'd still land my first client in under 90 days. And not because I'm special or I'm good at editing, it's actually because I learned something that I wish somebody told me years and years ago. Getting clients isn't about being good at editing, it's about understanding people, their problems, their bottlenecks, and how to fix it. And if I had to start all over again, I will play a completely different game. Hey guys, my name is Stevan, and I went from one-off projects paying me $200 a month to a system that now converts clients that pay me $3,000 a month. I work with a lot of agencies, entrepreneurs, online brands, e-com brands, and I've created content that didn't just generate views, it generated real revenue. And here's the thing, guys, you don't need any crazy skills or crazy portfolio, you just need the right mindset and approach. Now, when I first started, I was thinking being technically good will get me clients. I wasted hours perfecting cuts, transitions, mastering this and that effect, but in reality it didn't give me anything. And that's when I finally realized you can be the best editor in the whole world and still struggle with clients, consistent revenue, income, and time. And the truth is, guys, clients don't actually care if you can do the flashing transitions and edits. They only care if you understand their business as well as they do. They care if you actually understand their problems, their bottlenecks, and if you can actually solve them. And yeah, sure, skills will get you noticed, but understanding people will get you clients. And when you combine those two, that's when you start getting high-paying projects and recurring income. Now, when I started, I literally made every single rookie mistake in books. And my first high-paying client actually came from Fiverr. You know, just solving a small problem he had, but eventually, over time, he became $3K a month client. And you might be thinking, why? It's because I approached this client differently. I didn't only care about delivering good videos, I actually cared about the final result and a long-term game. I analyzed what they needed, I added insights, and I kind of positioned myself like a long-term investment, not a liability. Now, you can always get video editing clients, right? But you will only solve a minor problem of, you know, making their video look better. Now, high-paying clients or business owners, they see things a bit differently. They see things on a wider scale, and that's why you need to be implementing the same mindset. Now, here's what I would do in 2026 as a video editor without anything. Step number 1, pick one niche and one type of client. Don't try to help everyone. Everybody's making this mistake these days. They're trying to spread themselves all over the place to cover every single piece of, you know, niche there is. Stick with one niche, guys, and trust me with this. And you might be thinking, well, if I only stick with one niche and one types of clients, wouldn't I be missing all these other opportunities? And I totally get you. We're gonna cover this later on in the video, guys. But let me tell you this real quick. If you stick with one niche and perfect it, master it, every time you reach out to a person, he will feel seen. He will think that you know their problem and that you understand their business as well as they do. Step number 2, understand their real struggles. Not the editing problem, but the real bottlenecks. Why don't they get any engagement? Why the content isn't converting? Why are they spending money on a freelancer who only edits the videos? You really gotta dive deep into problems, guys. Or even uncover or reveal a problem they didn't even know they had, and this is where the real opportunity is. Step number 3, create a small roadmap. Highlight gaps in their content or system. Don't just say I edit videos. You actually need to show them what they're missing and how it's affecting their growth. And suddenly, just like that, you're not just another video editor, you're actually a growth partner. Step number 4, don't reach out as a salesperson. Reach out as a human. You need to connect on a human level. A short, thoughtful message works way better than just some robotic, manual, copy and paste outreach. And how to actually outreach as a human being, as a person who understands their pain. We're gonna cover this later on the video, guys. Step number 5, close with understanding and not desperation. Don't discount yourself and do not over-explain. Confidence and clarity is what you need to go for. Because when you talk to your client as somebody who actually understands their business, their game, their pain, they will respond differently and they will trust you and they will see you like an investment, not a, you know, a cost. Because just think about it. If you say to your client, I'll just make your video look better, you're basically limiting yourself to a transactional work. But if you think like somebody who we talked about in this video, you will be more than just a task doer. You're basically positioning yourself as someone who your clients cannot replace. Because just imagine, they can go to Fiverr and hire any, you know, freelance video editor, right? You want to be more than that, guys. And here's one small but strong mental shift. Always start with your client's result, not your scale. And before importing the project into a timeline, ask yourself these questions. What does success look like to them? Where are they losing engagement, revenue, and attention? And how can my work directly solve their issue? Most editors don't even think beyond just, you know, editing clips and cutting the videos and that's why they stagnate. Now here's where the most people fail. Even after understanding these 5 pillars of growth, the execution is where the real game starts. Now how do you actually reach out? How do you structure your offer? How do you position yourself? How do you make foundations of yourself? How do you talk to a client one-on-one? How do you set your prices? And how do you get results that get clients stay and pay more? Now that's exactly what I teach inside of my free school community. Inside you'll get full blueprints, step-by-step guides, how to position yourself, how to price yourself, how to see yourself more than just a video editor, how to structure your business model, and how to get clients to actually chase after you, and how to deliver results that actually makes the difference. Now first 50 active people inside of my school community will get lifetime free access. No payments, just commitment and participation. Now if you want your 2026 to be the year where you stop guessing and start actually building, I really want you in my community. And this isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, understanding people, their real goals, pain points, and how to position yourself as somebody who is irreplaceable. So click the link below, join my community, introduce yourself, participate, and see yourself win. I'll see you in the next video.